They say IF will make you lose faster. Why? And how does IF work to our body? Sagutin natin yan. Okay. Sagutin natin tong Sagutin natin tong concern na to. They say IF will make you lose faster. Why? And how does IF work to our body? So, sagutin natin siya. So, casually lang. And I do hope that you were able to read yung ating disclaimer para malinaw sa inyo na ito ay for general information lang. Anyway, so sabi niya, they say IF will make you lose faster. Why? Bakit? Bakit nakaka-lose? I'm assuming we're talking about weight or burning fats, faster. Bakit nakaka-burn ng fats ang IF ng mas mabilis? Okay? Paano ba nangyayari yun? Well, quick answer would be, kaya mas mabilis maka-lose ng weight, kaya mas mabilis maka-burn ng fats ang IF is because kapag nagfa-fasting ka, you are forcing yourself to burn fats, which is basically energy. Yun yung rason doon. Kasi syempre, kapag naka-fasting mode ka, wala kang kinain o wala kang kinakain. Pag wala kang kinain, wala kang kinakain, ibig sabihin, wala kang enerhiya na pinasok sa katawan mo. Hindi naman pwede na wala kang kinain na enerhiya, wala ka ng enerhiya na gagamitin for the day while naka-fasting ka. Of course, kapag naka-fasting ka, kailangan mo pa rin ng enerhiya. So saan mo kukunin yun kung hindi ka kumain ng enerhiya? Doon sa nasa loob na enerhiya, yung stored energy, yung taba. Yung taba mo, basically, stored energy yan. And the only way to access yung stored energy or yung taba, is basically through fasting. Kapag wala kang kinakain, doon lang siya ma-access. Otherwise, kung meron kang kinain, hindi mo ma-access yung stored fats mo dahil ang energy source na pagkukuha ng katawan mo for your energy requirements would be yung food. So, I hope malinaw, kapag naka-IF, puwersado yung katawan mo na kumuha ng enerhiya sa loob ng katawan mo simply because hindi ka naman magpa-function kung wala kang energy. Okay?